Hello everybody, Namaste and greetings from Birla Hospital, New Delhi. I am Dr. Mandeep. Today we want to share an important information with all of you regarding thyroid surgery. So whenever we are doing a thyroid surgery, specifically a total thyroidectomy, that is removing of both the lobes of thyroid with the isthmus, that is removing whole of the thyroid tissue that may be due to thyroid cancers or a benign thyroid disease. But after thyroid surgery, there are two important complications which occur. One is the patient around 25 to 30% of the times land up in post-surgery hypocalcemia, and secondly, sometimes the voice nerve is affected and the patient's voice is also affected. The most common complication obviously is a post-surgery hypocalcemia, and that occurs due to the parathyroid glands. So there is a thyroid tissue, and adjacent to that or within the capsule of thyroid tissue there are parathyroid glands. So thyroid basically secretes thyroxine and parathyroid secretes parathyroid hormone, which controls the calcium metabolism. So during thyroid surgery, inadvertently either the parathyroid gland is removed or injured, due to which the parathyroid hormone decreases and patient lands up in post-surgery hypocalcemia. Till now, it was basically dependent on the surgeon's experience to identify parathyroid from thyroid and preserve the parathyroid. But now, over surgeon's experience, we at Birla Hospital have procured near-infrared imaging. That is, we are the first hospitals to procure this technology. And with this technology, we are able to identify the parathyroid gland and the thyroid tissue distinctly. That is, when we are looking through a near-infrared camera, due to autofluorescence of parathyroid gland, the parathyroid gland basically illuminates, and we distinguish between this is the parathyroid and this is the thyroid. None of our patients end up in post-thyroid surgery hypocalcemia, and over last 1 year, none of our patients have received post-surgery calcium supplementations. So this is I wanted to share with all of you, and we have written our work on parathyroid gland with near-infrared imaging has been accepted by the Journal of Medical Research Archives, and we'll be sharing the publication with all of you very soon. Thank you.